too bad, right?
Not too bad. Oh! Fuck. Oh, Jesus! Oh. This last one ain't out. I'm missing this one. I'm scared of this one.
Oh, Charlie.
Oh, jeez. Oh, shit. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh. I don't know, something just left my body.
You feel soreness?
Yeah, I feel better. I feel lighter.
Lighter. Is that why you can't even hold yourself?
I'm just like sleeping.
Cool. You will rest. Your own is here. Well, it's supposed to look like it's here. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison.
I didn't get that.
This is you.
Okay.
This is what it's supposed to look like. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
You can see the straightness here. See how your own is bending to the right side.
Mm-hmm.
You get that one?
So I think this side is a bit. I'm serious.
Remember I always told you, you always needed to
Yes.
This is the reason why. So, just because your spine is tilting to the right doesn't mean you will now bend to the left.
This is my right, Abby. This is my right.
That's not the point. Just because it's bending to one side doesn't mean bend the other way. The way you correct a misalignment is by doing the proper thing, not by going the opposite way. And so just because you're always like this and your spine is bending doesn't mean now you should come here. It's more of you're supposed to come or sit more upright. You with me?
Mm-hmm.
Now, when we look at it from the side view, so you can see the curve here. Your own is here and then it bends back. Too much this.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious. When you do this too much, or laptop and all these things, then you see this hunchback that's happening.
Hunchback, okay.
Okay. And in the neck area.
I know that's way.
See the space here.
Is that my neck?
This one is yours.
Okay.
And this is what it's supposed to look like.
Well, they're almost the same now.
It's not as severe as the other areas. But the biggest thing you don't notice is that the space here, this is narrow. Plus, this curve here for your own is supposed to be more here. See how the tissue build up is here.
What's the cause? Oh, okay. How am I supposed? Am I sitting well like this now?
This is very good.
Then how am I supposed to hold the phone? Just give me a phone. Let me see.
See how I'm doing it.
Like this.
That's not what I'm doing. Look at me well, what I'm doing.
Like this. Like this.
See how this hand now kind of supports it and keeps it upright.
Oh, so this is the best way to hold your phone. Okay.
Unless if I have an armrest, I can keep my hand on the armrest and keep it here. But I'll show you other health tips as well as sleeping position and so on.
I think that's my problem. My sleeping position is crazy.
You ready?
I don't know if I'm ready. I'm nervous.
This one down. Allow the head to come. Not too bad, right?
Not too bad. Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus. Oh. This last one Intel.
You okay?
I'm fine. I just feel like can't even explain. Okay. What do
Come
you
to this one. Down some more.
Oh! Dang. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Bring this leg.
Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Wait, let me breathe. Okay.
Okay, you can actually come up. You can come up. You alright?
I've been seeing this one. I'm scared of this one.
Oh, Chai.
Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Just wait.
Welcome back.
Okay.
You're back.
Oh, shit. God.
One more.
Eh?
You ready? Try not to talk. Bring your hand to your chest.
Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Oh. I don't even know what I feel right now. Like, I don't know, something just left my body.
Where did you go?
I don't know.
You can stand if you're ready.
Okay.
Okay. Stand on your feet. Be a woman.
I'm standing.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You feel soreness?
Yeah, I feel better. I feel lighter.
Lighter. Is that why you can't even hold yourself?
I'm just, I
Like
just
a
feel like
feather.
sleeping.
Come, you will rest.
Okay.
Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing
Oh.
Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.